Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzy with PC Mag. I'm here at HP CES 2025 preview, and they have a host of new desktops and laptops for us. Let's start with the desktops. This is the HP Omni desk. Obviously a compact PC. You got this faux wood grain sort of panel, obviously focused on being small, affordable. These aren't powerhouse PCs, but they do have Intel Arrow Lake. The base model will come with Core Ultra 5, and it starts at $649, so that's a pretty good deal. And there's an even smaller slim model, which will start at $479. So pretty good price, affordable, compact. Obviously, you're not going to set the world alight with performance on this one, but sort of general use and everyday PC. It looks like it fit right into your living room. On the laptop side, there's a slew of new professional notebooks. We have the EliteBook X, the EliteBook X Flip, the EliteBook Ultra, and the ZBook Ultra. These meet Microsoft's Copilot Plus standards, so professional focused and powered PCs with updated components all around. These notebooks will all hit at the start of this year, and there's a lot of different specs and component options, so be sure to check out our covers on PCMag.com.